Welcome to the Unstructured Data Analysis tutorial series, where we explore unstructured data analytic capabilities using Oracle's Big Data Discovery. Today's session will focus on using the group value feature to combine similar values into one attribute. So what we would like to do is combine similar values. You can see in this tag cloud we have weight gain spelled with weight and gain with initial caps, the W and the G, and we have a lowercase g over here, but they are the same construct, the same value, and we should be able to combine them into one weight gain value. So instead of having 8 and 6, we should have a weight gain with 14, and who knows, maybe there are more weight gain values with other spelling variants in the data set. We'll have to see. So to go about grouping these values, we will just need to go into the transform section of Oracle Big Data Discovery and select the appropriate data set, which is www.askapatient.com. So you can see we're clicking on the menu here and group values. And so we're going to create a new group, and we'll call it weight gain. We're going to select and just drag over whatever values we want to put in there. You can see there's the other weight gain. We're not going to add that weight gain because it's part of a multi-assigned value. So there's weight gain, it looks like increased appetite. But I did notice that there are several none, so let's create another side effect group called no side effects. And we can then add all of the relevant values to that group. What's nice too is you see we can use the type ahead to search those values to see if there's anything else that we would want to combine. So this is none for the first days, none started, initially none, so those we want to keep as separate. But this one, none, this drug basically saved me. That can get added. And again, sometimes there are going to be instances where you don't want to group a value because you'd be aggregating away some interesting information. But in this instance, none, this drug basically saved me. That will still appear with the individual post where this value appears. But in terms of powering something like the tag cloud, we will be losing that visibility since it will now just be grouped under the no side effect value. So it looks like there are a few more weight gain related values that we'll want to add. So let's just go ahead and add those. And again, there are going to be some that we want to leave because they're multi-assigned, so minimal weight gain, big appetite. All right, so once we've added all the values that we want to, I'm just taking a last look here. I think we've got everything. We're going to select group values, and we're going to apply it to side effects. If we wanted to, we could create a separate attribute that pulls out just those values for the groups we created. And then we are going to click Add to Script. And after it gets added to the script, we will commit to the project. We can then refresh the page to see the updated data. And then we can return back to our tag cloud. We now have additional values that have been added in one weight gain category. That concludes today's session on grouping values using Big Data Discovery's group value feature. Stay tuned for additional sessions in the upcoming weeks.